Hello guys, and welcome to a new video, and in this one I will show you another of these KaiOS Nokia phones. This is actually the last one that I have to show you, and it is the coolest one. Let me show you the box. So this is unboxed product, but it has its own box and everything inside. You can see that it is a dual SIM phone. And also it is waterproof and dustproof, IP68 rated, so it has also a drop and shock protection up to 1.8 meters, and it has a Google Assistant. That's because of that KaiOS. It is also a 4G phone and easy grip size, so that's these parts. Not sure can you see, but yeah, a long-lasting battery. It has a flashlight, that's a cool thing, and it also has camera with flash, loudspeaker, Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, FM radio, card slot, and app store. So almost everything except Android, but it has KaiOS, so you can see and install all of these and many different apps. So inside the box you will find the phone itself, and I will show you the phone in a second. Also you have this SIM and SD card eject tool, manuals in different languages, and okay, and on this side we have a charger, and micro USB. Unfortunately no USB-C on this phone, and more of these quick guides, and that's all what you get with this phone. So here is the phone itself, and what I really like the phone, it is build quality, and this one actually feels like a real Nokia phone compared to these previous two KaiOS phones that I had, and this is very sturdy. You can see no flex here, no squeaks. It is just built like a tank, and that's what I expect from normal Nokia phone. So I will actually say that this phone feels like a Nokia 3310. It is a solid phone, you can rock around, and these are those grip sides, and this part feels like a sort of a rubber plastic. I'm not sure, it feels like plastic, but this is also slightly rubberized, so that's cool. You can see here a camera and a flash, and on the top you have that flashlight they were mentioning. Here you will find your 3.5mm headphone jack and charge port via micro USB. And on the bottom you have this plastic part for your lanyard, or how do you call that? Here you have a slot for your SIM card and SD card. You just simply eject this tool into this hole, you press it down, and you take out this plastic part, and here you have dual SIM or SIM plus a micro USB, oh sorry, micro SD card. So let's power this phone on, and you are greeted with power by KaiOS phone. Let's hear startup tune. So when you power it on, you have KaiOS to deal with, and that is, in my opinion, both good and bad. Bad thing is that it is kind of slow, and good thing is that you can install different apps. So like I showed you earlier, Here you have a iOS store, and you can have Google Maps, YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook. This is a snake game, Google Assistant. So let's say that Google supports this iOS, and still it is somewhat slow. I would prefer that they install some better processors or more RAM to make it faster. And here you have FM radio, music, file manager, calendar, notes, converter, recorder, calculator, and a few games that are pre-installed. So that's all very good. If you don't mind slower phones, I know that we are all used to modern touchscreens that are fast, because Android nowadays is fast even on lower end hardware. So one complaint that I have is with this D-pad, and it is just too hard to press it on center. You have to use your fingernail to press it in the middle. If you use your whole thumb to press here, I just pressed at least 3 buttons, top, right, and the middle, and here is a number 2 for some reason. So that's one complaint that I have, and that is somewhat a deal breaker for me, so I will never get this phone because of that. But maybe you have a smaller thumb, I'm not sure. Do I have a large thumb, or what's the problem? But just hear this. It is so hard for me to press in the middle. So except that D-pad, this phone is a perfect second phone. Let me just show you this flashlight. You go up, and here you have sort of your drop-down menu, and here you can power flashlight. I'll quickly show you the camera. It's a 2 megapixel camera. App permission allow, welcome to camera. And it is a 2 megapixel camera. Okay, for the price. And yes, I'm not sure what else to tell you about this phone. I really liked it, except this D-pad. And if you can try it yourself somewhere, try definitely this D-pad, because it gives me a lot of troubles. But one of the great feeling about these non-touch phones is you don't have to turn your screen off. You should just press it, and that's something you can't done with your touchscreen phones. If you guys have any questions, please ask them in the comments below. I will try to answer them as best I know. So that has been a quick showcase of this tough Nokia phone. And until next video, I hope a retro phone video. Thank you for watching.